name is Maciej Bartosiewicz. I'm the leader of the ConGas project, and we are working here in Hornsund to understand the greenhouse gas emissions from lakes and ponds and rivers, as well as glaciers. Mostly I focus on methane, so what we take water samples and we extract gas to find out how much methane is released from the fresh waters in the Arctic. Here we are based in the Hornsund station, so this is the infrastructure that supports us on each single expedition, and we try to have a base camp here, so all the equipment is stored here, and then we make an excursions or field trips to other stations, such as the station of Wrocław University, where we can collect more samples or more detailed samples, or do some small experiments like the station of Baranówka. So the most important fact of my research in this project is that we follow up on the connectivity of different ecosystems and how this connectivity changes due to the climate warming or climate change, and we try to understand how these changes in connectivity of water or the water flow through different ecosystems will affect the methane and other greenhouse gases. So then we try to find out what is the feedback effect between the warming Arctic and the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that will further the warming in the Arctic. I think, and for me, it's interesting and important on a global scale, but usually we base research on a small or reduced number of samples so that we can understand processes and then upscale it to a more global picture.
It's very important. Bueno. Okay.
Yes, there is another part.
Oh, another one.
So for this field trip, my team was very well structured. We had a senior fellow, Piotr, who helped us with all the technical stuff, and he is the expert of monitoring and setting up the equipment for monitoring environment. We have colleagues from Italy that helped us to understand the microbiology and microbes connected to these ecosystems.
Hello, my name is Nancy Porcino. I come from Messina, from the Institute of Science Polar, and we are here for the project Freshhorn. And the project is in collaboration with the Polar Station of Polish, and already our boss come here for other collaboration and other collecting sample. The project that we are made here is complementary with the other project that already is done in this polar station.
We had a very junior or very junior colleague, a student of mine who works or who starts to work engineering project to develop a new sensor for methane monitoring. And we had also a very special guest, a hydrochemist from the last crew of the Hornsund station, Krzesimir, who helped us to collect the samples and who was the expert in the lab and established all the equipment and all the line to process the samples once we are back from the field.